Do you want to know how to handle missing data using Python code? You came to the right place. Before we dive into handling missing data, let's discuss why it happens. Missing values can occur due to equipment failures, human errors, or incomplete records. Identifying and managing them correctly is crucial for reliable data analysis. First, let's load our dataset and check for missing values. To check for missing values, we use the isna method. This tells us how many missing values exist in each column. There are different ways to deal with missing data: dropping them, filling them with a value, or using interpolation. Dropping missing values. This removes any rows that contain missing values. However, if too many rows are lost, we may need another approach. Filling missing values with a default value. This replaces missing experiment names with unknown and fills numerical columns with the mean or median, which is useful for continuous data. Interpolating missing data. Interpolation estimates missing values based on existing ones, making it useful for time series and experimental data. Let's visualize missing data using a heat map. Bright areas indicate missing values. This helps us understand where data gaps exist. And that's it. We explored why missing data occurs, how to detect it, different ways to handle it, and how to visualize it effectively. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you handle missing data in your research. See you in the next video.